everybody, it's Carla, and ooh, I just got through doing one project for a different video, and right now I have a lot of colors left. So I've been wanting to do this. I'm going to do this for a separate video.
Wondering why this video is so short? Well, it's because I lost some footage in the middle. But don't worry, you're still going to see almost everything except where I add in some glow-in-the-dark powders to the resin. Thanks. Have fun.
I don't know why. I really don't. I don't know. I don't know why, but I do. So I'm going to... Yeah, I'm going to do the flower red. I don't know. Yeah. So I just thought I'm going to, of course, speed this way up. In just a minute here, so that you don't have to watch me go through this. I'm kind of having second thoughts because that butterfly was flat and this is not flat. Of course, my resin is getting thick, so it may work out. I don't know, it's looking pretty sloppy. Let's see. I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe it'll work. Maybe. He's got a red flower on his belly now. Because he's poisonous. Yes, he's poisonous. See, I don't know if I put in a little bit of red into that little thingy there. I should turn my heating mat on so that this will set fast and then I can add in. I don't know. I think I might be making a bulendrous mistake here. Oh yeah, that was way too much. Why did I do that for? Why did I do that for? Oh, Carla go to school? What did I do that for? Or why did I do that? Why did I do that? You don't add the word for at the end. Ding dong. Ding dong. Oops. Well, I guess we're going to have a little red in the eye. Sure, why not? One little skinny thing of red. Right there. It's kind of fun. Yeah, it's kind of fun. Yeah, I mucked up this foot for sure because I got too much in there. Let's just go for it. Let's just put a little bit of red here. Why not? Nobody said a frog has to be green. Or from France. Is the microphone on? Said that. Oh yes, I did. I said that. I don't know why. You know, that would be something I should look up. Why on earth did they start calling French people frogs? And is that a derogatory thing, or is that something that they started? See, I have no idea. Why would they be calling them frogs? They're not green. They don't have extraordinarily large heads or deep voices. Never seen one of them climb up a wall unassisted. You know, like with frog feet. See, I wonder these things. Why would we call the French frogs? Because they eat frogs? Maybe it's because they eat frogs. Frog legs, yeah. But people in the South here eat frogs. So that would be like, I know you are, but what am I kind of thing. If it was supposed to be a thing. That doesn't sound right, does it? Because if it was because they eat frogs, then they would be saying that they're cannibals, that they eat themselves, if they call them frogs. So yeah, you know what? I gotta look that up. I'm gonna look that up. Just as soon as I get a better handle on my resin here. Okay. I need to. Yeah, I need to make space. Everything is so sticky. Take you guys. Don't worry, I'm not gonna leave these cups like this and throw them away. I'm gonna actually clean them out. I'm gonna save the resin. I need a hand wiper. Oh my goodness. Let go of me. Let me clean off my hands real quick. Woo! And I'm probably going to add some glitter to that after I get this last bit of stuff poured. And you need more color, don't you? Oh no, that wasn't supposed to be all one thing. Well, it is now. Alrighty, whatever. Whatever. I see some bubbles coming up through the toes there. Let me grab it. I'm gonna let you guys go. Take off this glove, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Did it stop? Hi everybody. Back to show you how I'm gonna put googly eyes in this frog. Let me have a sip of my coffee. Ah, yummy, yummy, yummy. It's cold, but it's good. Okay, I have these googly eyes. You can see them here. I just have an extra one because I have flipper fingers, and if I'll probably flip it somewhere. So I have my UV resin. Yeah, you guys know. If you know me, you know I don't like UV resin. It scares me. It's gonna, in a year, my project's gonna be like goop if I mix resin and UV resin. Got lots of examples of it happening. Ugh. So, but anyway, I do need some eyeballs in this thing, and that's the best way to do it, just to put a little bit of UV resin. You gotta be sure. I gotta be sure that I really. Is my head in there? Okay. I don't think I know I haven't brushed my teeth yet because I'm just finishing my coffee. To me, there's nothing worse than drinking coffee with toothpaste mouth. Oh, so gross. Okay, I only have one glove on because I'm trying to just get this in here. This is gonna be, oh, you know, maybe I...
Hi everybody, I have lost the footage between this point and showing you the final product. This is the Epsom salt lamp, this is the crazy frog thing, and it glows in the dark. But anyway, I don't know what happened to the footage. I apologize, but you're going to see a lot of the frog, but not how I did all the weird colors. It didn't come out good anyway.
Hi, I wanted to come back and show you. I did a little surgery on the frog. Can you tell what's missing? I cut off his thumbs. I just thought that it was too much. If you look back at the original, when I took him out, it just like they were just poking right here. I was gonna cut this one and this one off too, so it looks like he's given the peace sign, but I thought I would give him an opportunity to adjust first. So see, he's got 3 fingers, but he had that one thumb thing that was coming out and like nearly touching his eyes. And I just thought this would be much more fun. This is very odd. But you know what? I like it. It's very weird. Every now and then I have to make something weird. And I wanted to let me do this so you can see how pretty this is. It's gonna get dark for a second. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? See, it's got the one with the candle inside, then I put this one on top. This is just so beautiful, and it's the Epsom salt look. Look at that. That's absolutely stunningly beautiful. Very romantic. Oh, yeah, and Froggy, he's out of juice. But anyway, there we go. Whoops, something went boom. So I just wanted you to be aware that, yeah, I cut off his fingers. So if you see the picture, you're not like, wait a minute, what happened? I like it better like this, honestly. You're like, why is she back? Go to bed. Go to bed. Yeah. So see, this is just the strangest thing. Looks like he has fingernail polish, or I'm gonna say she, or they. I don't know. I haven't made up my mind yet. But and this looks like a weird haircut, you know, where the bangs are coming up and split in the middle, kind of like a comb forward. His little eyes. So yeah, I don't know if you can. It's hard to see the glitter in here, but there's glitter in this dark blue. So yeah, I just wanted y'all to see how beautiful this really is. It's just like, oh my goodness, so pretty, so pretty. And when you're not using it like that, you can put it like that. But I love this on top of it, even though this got broken, and it's still just up my alley. It's imperfectly perfect. Beautiful. It's beautiful. All right, guys, that was it. Just wanted to show you I manipulated the froggy, and it's a there we are. So yep, there he is. Oh yeah, I guess it's a he. Yep, it's a boy. Okie dokie. I'll see you later. Bye. Whoops, I just wanna, yeah. Okay, bye. Bye.
Hey everybody, sorry about losing the footage. The only thing that you missed was me adding the glow-in-the-dark powders to the resin. That's pretty much it, and the unmolding. So please be kind to one another, love yourself, and just show kindness to everyone, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. I love you all. I'm so happy you're here, and y'all come back now, you hear?